Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the American Flamingo in Heartopia. So you have to be level 9 of the bird watching hobby, and it is located, actually it's located like in the Amethyst Beach area. I thought it would be like near the lakes in windmill flower fields, but it's actually on the beach, like the Amethyst Beach. So the weather needs to be rainbow and it's going to be here all day. So no specific times. You just need to wait for the rainbow weather. And it looks like the ones that are near the forest lake, it is like a very pinkish, reddish flamingo. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.